नमस्कार साथीहरू, स्वागत छ तपाईहरुलाई हाम्रो युट्युब च्यानलमा। आज हामी कक्षा 9 साइन्सको पहिलो च्याप्टर साइन्टिफिक स्टडीको सम्पूर्ण समाधानहरू लिएर आएका छौं। यो भिडियो मन परेमा अवश्य पनि सब्स्क्राइब, लाइक, कमेन्ट गर्न नबिर्सनुहोला। यसले गर्दा हामीलाई हौसला मिल्नेछ।
Scientific study. Answer the following question. How is this scientific study done? Explain. Scientific study takes various steps. Some problem or events have to be observed. The question of curiosity or the practical question of research should be the first steps. Then the hypothesis building and testing from experiment. In the fourth step, analyze the data collected and draw conclusion. I am going to explain the field of science. First, biology. Which biology is the field that studies the fact about the report was prepared for the research. This is the last under the step of the scientific study. Multicellular mammals are Second question is enlist the fields of science. First, biology, genetics, physics, chemistry, geology, environment science. Second, last, physics is the field that studies the physical phenomena like force, motion, energy, etc. The scientists who study physics are scientists. Under physics, the phenomena of the atom to be universe are studied. The branches are nuclear physics, atomic physics, modern physics, engineering, radiography, measurement, chemistry. Chemistry is the field that studies the matter and how their properties change. The scientists who study chemistry are chemists. Under chemistry, the properties of matter on the basis of atom and molecule are studied. The branches are organic, inorganic, physical, bio, and nanochemistry. Next, astronomy. Astronomy is the field that studies that space, physical universe is whole. The scientists who study astronomy are called astronomers. Next question is enlist the safety measure while conduct experiment. The experiment is done in the presence of a teacher. The safety instrument like a coat, glass, gloves, etc. are used in the lab. If any accident occurs, it should be immediately informed to teacher. The chemical must be taken in an adequate amount. The door and windows must be open. In last, the hands should be washed with a soap after finishing the experiment. F. Why is metric prefix important? Describe with example. Metric prefix is incredibly useful for many consciously describing quantities in the experimental international system of unit. Example of a metric prefix are deci, semi, milli, micro, and kilo. Explain in a brief about the least count in a measurement. Stopwatch scale protector. These devices are used to measure the physical quantity and the smallest value that can be measured by this device. The smallest quantity that can be counted in any measurement is called least count. For example, there are two types of measurement on the scale. One is inches and other is centimeter. Similarly, in the protector from 1 to 10 degrees, 10 is part smalls. With it helps measurement can be done correctly. Data can be collected and analyzed to draw conclusions. What is the value of experiment in a scientific study? Explain with example. The value of experiment is a scientific study is paramount. It provides the knowledge of physical world. They allow researchers to test hypotheses. Experiment provide evidence that can be replicated and used to support. Define the scientific notation. Scientific notation is the form of presenting very large number or very small number in a simpler form. It is written between 1 and 10 is multiplied by a power of 10. Rules of scientific notation. The base is always 10. The power is not 0 and it's plus or minus sign. The coefficient is always 1 to 9 integrate numbers. Here are some questions you can see and practice it.